100 most frequently used phrasal verbs. Ask out, to invite someone on a date. Back up, to move backwards or to support something or someone. Blow up, to explode or to become very angry. Break down, to stop working properly or to lose control emotionally. Break up, to end a romantic relationship. Bring up, to raise a topic or to mention something. Call off, to cancel something that was planned. Carry on, to continue doing something. Catch up, to reach the same level or status as someone else. Check out, to investigate or to leave a place. Come across, to find or to meet unexpectedly. Come up with, to think of or to suggest an idea or solution. Cut back, to reduce something or to spend less money. Cut off, to stop something from continuing or to disconnect something. Do over, to redo or to start again. Drop off, to fall asleep or to deliver something or someone to a location. Eat out, to dine at a restaurant. Fall apart, to break or to fail completely. Fall for, to be attracted to someone or to believe something that isn't true. Figure out, to solve or to understand something. Fill in, to provide information or to complete a form or document. Find out, to discover information. Get along, to have a good relationship with someone. Get away, to escape or to take a vacation. Get over, to recover from something or to forgive someone. Give up, to quit or to surrender. Go ahead, to proceed or to give permission. Go along, to agree or to cooperate. Go back, to return to the previous time or place. Go over, to review or to inspect something carefully. Go through, to experience or to endure something. Hang out, to spend time with someone casually. Hold on, to wait or to grasp tightly. Keep up, to maintain or to stay at the same level. Knock out, to defeat or to render unconscious. Lay off, to terminate someone's employment or to stop doing something temporarily. Let down, to disappoint or to fail to meet expectations. Look forward, to anticipate or to be excited about something in the future. Make up, to invent or to reconcile after a disagreement. Move on, to progress or to let go of the past. Pass out, to lose consciousness or to distribute something. Pick up, to collect or to improve. Point out, to draw attention to or to indicate something. Pull off, to accomplish or to succeed in something difficult. Put off, to delay or to postpone. Put on, to wear or to organize an event. Put up with, to tolerate or to endure. Run into, to meet unexpectedly or to encounter a problem. Run out, to deplete or to expire. Set up, to establish or to arrange something. Show up, to arrive or to attend an event. Sit around, to do nothing or to wait idly. Slow down, to reduce speed or to calm down. Sort out, to organize or to clarify something. Stand out, to be noticeable or to excel. Stick to adhere to or to persist with something. Take off, to remove or to become successful. Take over, to assume control or responsibility for something. Talk over, to discuss or to consider something together. Throw away, to discard or to waste something. Throw up, to vomit or to abandon something quickly. Try on, to test or to experiment with clothing or accessories. Turn down, to reject or to decrease something. Turn off, to switch off or to lose interest in something. Turn on, to switch on or to become interested in something. Turn up, to arrive or to increase in volume or intensity. Use up, to consume completely or to exhaust resources. Wake up, to become conscious or to make someone else conscious. Walk out, to leave a place or a situation in protest or disagreement. Watch out, to be careful or to pay attention. Work out, to exercise or to solve a problem. Write down, to record or to note something on paper. Add up, to total or to make sense. Back down, to retreat or to withdraw from a position. Bring about, to cause or to bring into existence. Bring in, to introduce or to earn money. Bring up, to raise or to mention a topic. Call up, to contact by phone or to summon a memory. Come along, to accompany or to make progress. Come back, to return or to reply. Cut in, to interrupt or to switch lanes while driving. Cut out, to stop doing something or to remove something. Drop by, to visit casually or briefly. Drop in, to visit without an appointment. Fall behind, to lag or to fail to keep pace. Figure in, to be included or to play a role in something. Fill out, to complete a form or document. Get by, to manage or to survive with limited resources. Give in, to surrender or to yield to someone else's request or demand. Go off, to explode or to spoil. Hold back, to restrain or to keep something secret. Keep on, to continue or to persist. Let in, to allow someone to enter. Look up, to search for information or to improve in quality or status. Make out, to understand or to kiss passionately. Pass away, to die or to expire. Put down, to criticize or to write something down. Set aside, to save or to reserve for a specific purpose. Stand up, to rise to one's feet or to fail to meet someone as planned. Take in, to understand or to deceive someone.